Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. So I'm going to be doing like a very detailed tutorial in this video, and I want you guys to come along with me because I feel that content creation is very hard, especially for people that they are doing it by themselves. So you are a one-man person, you edit your videos yourself, you create your thumbnails, you try to get good backgrounds, you try to film your video in a very nice place, you try to do the lighting and everything. So I feel like a lot of things is happening as a content creator. Then you upload and then you're not seeing the views you want. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to like turn your background from this to this that you are seeing. So if you are interested, let us dive into the video. As I said earlier, I'll be talking to you and I'll be showing you guys step by step on how to create your video background, your YouTube video background yourself. So let us continue. So we're going to be making use of the free AI tools that AI has created for us. You don't need to be scared of the kind of gadgets you have. You don't need to be scared of the kind of thing you are using to film. Because right now I am also filming with my mobile phone. So it's either you're using a camera or you're using a mobile phone. We are going to be making use of these tools. So the first thing you have to make sure you have is tripod. Yes, for stabilization. You need to have a tripod for stabilization because you don't want to move up and down in this video. You don't want to move up and down. So you need to have a tripod for stabilization. That one is going to be your light source. It doesn't matter if you don't have all the ring light, all the LED lights, everything. You can always make do with your normal natural light. Just draw down your plants and then you are good to go. You can always make do with natural light, but if you don't have any, because it depends on the kind of place you are staying, you can always try to do maybe a DIY light or anything, or just make sure your room is well lit and then you can make this video. But make sure you have a light source to illuminate your face and make people see what you are showing them. You understand what I'm saying? But before we continue with this video, I want you guys to subscribe so that you'll be able to tell the algorithm that you enjoy what you are watching in this video and you want to see more of my videos, because I'm going to be creating more content about this if you want me to. So please continue, like my video, share my videos, and then comment. Let me know what you enjoy. Let me know how you feel about this video you are watching. Subscribe, please subscribe. First app we are going to be using is Leonardo AI. That is the place we are going to be generating our pictures, like our background from. So we are going to be using Leonardo AI, and I'm going to show you step by step on how to use it. The app is going to be Canva, where we are going to set it up as a normal YouTube background. Then the third one is going to be our editing software, CapCut. But you can always use any other editing software you have to make do of what I want to show you. But I would prefer you use CapCut because that is the step I am going to be showing you. Do you understand? Now let us dive into the video. Hi guys, welcome back. So this is what the app is looking like, the Leonardo AI. You can download it, you can do anything, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do now. I'm going to click on create an account, then it is going to show like load, and then it is going to take me to this dashboard. You either click on Google or you either like put your email address, put your password, and then like log in. But you need to put the first capital letter, then small letter, and then a number or so. You just need to like make sure your password is in, and then you sign up. That is when you're signing up. So the next thing I'm going to click on is stock image, because I'm going to be like doing a lot of things on it, and then you're going to put your username. I added one username before, it was not working for it, so I had to like put another one, and this is it verifying. So then I'm going to put on next. Then you can cancel this. This is just like an ad, just remove it, and then you are in the workshop already. As you guys can see, they are going to you can see all the thing they have, all different kind of pictures, things like, but we are not going into that part. I'm going to show you where we are going to. You can see they will give us 150 coin, so you can download any picture you want as much as possible, but within that 150 range. They will be giving you don't need to be scared, they'll be giving you 150 per day, so you can always generate as much pictures as what you want. So now I'm going to put in my prompt. As you can see, I'm going to put it in the description box for you guys to see what I have going on. So I did this YouTube thing, it was not working, I had to put another one. Like, just continue putting until you are satisfied with the picture you want. So these are the second picture I generated, and I feel like it is nice. I downloaded it. That's the download button. So that's the download button. You can download as many pictures as what you want. So now we are going into Canva to check what we have going on. As you guys can see, I downloaded a lot of pictures, but then let's move on. So this is the dashboard of Canva. You can look for YouTube thumbnail, as you guys can see, for this size, so that you'll be able to like put the picture in the size of the video background that you created. So I'm going to create a new blank, as you guys can see from the video. Sorry, this thing is not going really in depth the way you want, but you guys can see the full version on screen. So I'm going to go to upload button. As you guys can see, I'm going to press the upload, and then it is going to bring me here. You can click on upload file, then you will see that picture that you just downloaded. You will see it in the screen, as you guys can see from the video. Then if you are not okay with it, you can go with as much pictures as you want, but this is the one I'm going to be using. This is the black and gold theme I said I wanted, and this is it. So I'm going to just click on that 3 dots to look for fit into screen. You can always like drag it the way you want, but I want it to fit into the screen as what I want, you get. So I'm just going to continue doing it again until I'm satisfied with what I am seeing in my background. Can you guys see what I'm saying? I was not really satisfied here, so I had to just change it to this. You guys can always do that. It is very easy. If you want an in-depth video on how I edited everything, let me know down in the comment section. I'm going to do an in-depth video of editing everything. So this is it. You're just going to save the video, but before you save it, you can always design it as much as you want. So I'm going to put a YouTube icon just for it to show that I'm in a YouTube background space. So I don't like this icon actually. I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to put in another one. You guys are going to see it right now. So I am putting this one because I feel like this is like a normal YouTube plate or thing like that. So I'm going to put it down there because that up I cannot see any space that I'm going to fit it in. So I'm going to put it down my lights. You guys are going to see where it is going to. Now it is where I want it to be. Then I'm going to download this image. You are going to save this image on your phone or on your laptop. As you guys can see what I am doing, that is how to save it on your laptop. This is on my laptop that I'm doing it, but you can always save it on your mobile phone also. If you want me to do an in-depth tutorial about Canva on your mobile phone or on your laptop, let me know down in the comment section. I'm going to do that for you. So after this, I'm going to save it with the name I want, so I'll be able to see it anytime I want it, and I'm going to save. Then we are done with this Canva whatever. Now we are going into the video. This is the new project. Then you click on the picture that you want. That's your YouTube background. Put it and drag. You understand what I'm saying? Drag it to the extent of what you want, like to the extent of the video you made. That's what I'm saying. Then you click on overlay to overlay the video on the picture. As you guys can see the way it is showing. Then after clicking on overlay, you're going to click on cutout. That is what I'm going to do. As you guys can see from the video, that is the cutout. Then you can always, maybe your own is going to show auto cutout or anything, just put it in cutout, remove background. It is going to load, no matter the extent of how long the video is, it is going to load to that extent, and it is going to remove the background. So you can now fit in where you want to see it, things like that. You can always do that yourself. Just drag the video to where you want it to be, and then you are good to go, as you guys can see from the video. So you now split your videos in like intervals by intervals, so you will not see any frozen thing or glitching on your videos. Then now you are going to leave that part. So now without said, you scroll down and you click on effect, then you go to video effect, then you type on blur. You type blur.
Then you are going to click the first one you are seeing in my screen. As you guys can see from the screen now, you click on the first one. You are going to adjust the opacity to what you want, like the way you want it to be. As you can see, I am reducing it, Then you are going to click on the mark button that is down there also to save it, and then you are going to leave the screen. So now after that, you drag it to the end of the video that you want, and then it is going to be the same way you want it to be. As you guys can see from my video, can you see the little blur that I put in it? Then after that, you are going to click on, so now you're going to click on filter. Then you're going to see different presets that CapCut has made available for you, and then you're going to click the one you find okay. You're going to reduce it or you hide it. It depends on the way you made your video, and then you're going to save it. It is like that one is already there, you don't need to drag or drop. Then when you are done, now as you guys can see from the video, you save your video. Then you can now post it to any social media platform you want. Just save it, and then you are good to go. As you guys can see, now let's upload.
Now that you have seen how to do this, how to change your background from this to this, can you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share, and I'm going to be showing you more DIY tips. I'm going to be showing you how to change a lot of backgrounds, how to do your thumbnail, how to edit your videos in a simple style, and different more. So kindly subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share. Turn on the notification bell because you don't want to miss any content I am posting. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Make sure you stay fabulous and stay blessed.